Looking for Twitter followers? Sure. How many would you like? 10? 100? 1,000? How about over 100,000? Yes, that's what I said, over 100,000. Imagine what you could do with over 100,000 followers. Uh-oh, I hear saying, how much is this going to cost me? Or how many millions of people will I have to follow? Well, here's the good news. It will cost you absolutely nothing, and you will only have to follow 5 people max. That's right, over 100,000 followers from following just 5 people. Don't believe it? Let me explain. Take a look at the tweet that sent you here. And if you didn't come here via a tweet, then you can find the same tweet message ready to go in the write-up below. Now on that tweet, you will find a list of 5 Twitter names. Now to get your 100,000 followers, you need to do just 5 things. 1. Follow all 5 names in the list. 2. Copy the entire tweet, link and all, and open it in Notepad or some other text processor. 3. Remove the Twitter name at the bottom of the list. Add your Twitter name at the top of the list. Now save the whole text and post it as a tweet once a day. And that's it. Over the next few weeks, followers will flood into your account. Let me show you how it works. Let's say 10 people take up your tweet. They will follow the list on which you are number 1. So that's 10 new followers that you have. They now move you to 2nd place, and they get 10 people to take up the tweet. That's 10 times 10, which equals 100 new followers that you now have. Those 100 people now move you to 3rd place, and each again get 10 people taking up the tweet. So that's now 10 times 100, which equals 1,000 new followers that you now have. These 1,000 people now move you to 4th place in the list, and each again get 10 people taking up the tweet. That's 10 times 1,000, which equals 10,000 new followers that you now have. And finally, those 10,000 people now move you to 5th place, and each again gets 10 people taking up the tweet. That makes 10 times 10,000, which is 100,000 new followers you now have. At this point, your name will drop off the bottom of the list, but not before you have amassed a grand total of 111,110 new followers. And provided you tweet the tweet every day, the process just goes on and on, with new lists with your name on them starting every day. So what are you waiting for? You could be Twitter famous. Just go back to the tweet that sent you here, or use the one in the write-up below, and start right away.